Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway. This is the section of the highway that runs from the Suncoast Adventure Park in St. Thomas to Bull Bay in St. Thomas. Actually, part of Bull Bay is in St. Andrew. So this is a new road that has been built. This highway, some sections of the highway is going to run along the existing roadway, and this highway runs from Harborview in St. Andrew through St. Thomas to Port Antonio in Portland. Some sections will be 4 lanes, some sections will be 2 lanes. Some sections a new road will be built, some sections the road will run along the existing roadway. Some sections the existing roadway will be extended from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. Some sections it will remain as 2 lanes, but it will be renovated. So this is the largest road project that's on the way right now. And this section that we're driving on is a new roadway that connects you from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Bull Bay. So the idea behind Highway 2000, the idea behind the Southern Coastal Highway is to build highways along the coast of Jamaica, to connect the entire coast of Jamaica via a highway. So this highway will take you from Harborview along the coast to Port Antonio. In Port Antonio, this highway will join the Northern Coastal Highway, which will take you from Port Antonio all the way to Negril. That road it's built already and it's in use now. And all these roads, this road we're on plus the Northern Coastal Highway, is a non-toll road, meaning you don't have to pay to use these roads. Sorry about that, guys. The road is very bumpy, so it's the dash cam fell. Okay, I'm just going to stop here and turn it so you can get to see this view. Actually, we're going to do better than that. We're going to turn. This section of Jamaica is so beautiful. It's unbelievable. And I must say, when we first started to drive on this road, I was taken back by the view. There's no other highway in Jamaica that's going to give you this kind of view. And this is just one part of it. Okay, so the project is to have highways running along the entire coast of Jamaica. Now, phase 2 of the Southern Coastal Highway project is to build a highway from Negril to Manchester running along the coast. So when these projects are finished, you'll have a highway running through St. Andrew, St. Thomas, Portland, St. Mary, St. Anne, Trelawney, St. James and Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, and then Manchester. So the plans are well on the way for this highway structure. So of course, you don't have to ask who the contractor is for this project or how it's being financed, because by now everybody should know that it's China Harbour Engineering Company, China Exim Bank, along with the Jamaican government. I'm trying to see if we could get you this view, but I don't want to go too close to the edge. So they build all the highways in Jamaica, that's a given. These kind of major highway projects is China Harbour, and on somewhere along the line, the China Exim Bank is involved. We're not saying yes, we're not saying no, but we're just happy to have these highways. And these highways are free. Highway 2000, it's not free, it's a toll road. You have to pay to use that road. This one you don't have to pay to use. So that's very good. And China Harbour Engineering Company, they have done an excellent job building the highways in Jamaica. They built this highway from Kingston to Ocho, and they built certain sections of the highway from Kingston to Mandeville. So straight ahead now is the Bull Bay area. Now this road is going to be 4 lanes the entire way. But right here, it's just 1 lane, but it's going to be 4 lanes when completed. Alright, so this is now the Bull Bay area, and straight ahead, that's the existing main road, where that road will be turned from 2 lanes into 4 lanes and continue to Harborview with the 4 lanes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.